I should probably stop caressing it and actually start the video. You are so beautiful to me. Sorry for that. Hello! A little change of environment today. I'm apparently not allowed to be home today because my birthday's tomorrow and Nick is planning something. So I'm at my parents' house and we're gonna do a little unboxing or two. Hello, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Oh, hello, madam. So as you may or may not have seen, I somehow made it into the NYX Space Awards top 30. Honestly, I'm still a little bit in denial and shock. They posted the photo with everyone's entries and everyone's look was freaking amazing, and then there's mine that's just like So quite honestly have no idea how I got in. I am going to work my butt off this first challenge. Even if I don't make it through, I just want to create something that I'm proud of and that pushes my boundaries and my comfort zone and just create something amazing. So I am so grateful to NYX for everything, let alone just the opportunity to even take part in this challenge. What they do is they released the first challenge yesterday. So basically I have to create a video and makeup look that revolves around that theme. And then on May 18th, all 30 of the videos will go up on NYX Space Awards website and you can vote. So each person gets 3 votes per day per email. Now, as much as I would love your votes and it would mean so much to me, I never want you to feel like you have to choose me over someone else. So if you go to the website and you find another makeup look that you like better than mine, honestly, vote for them. But I'm gonna do my best to make you guys proud. So without further ado, I'm just gonna open this one because it's smaller. Prepare thy seals. Black tissue paper. I love black tissue paper. Thank you, NYX. Thank you so much. And yes, I still make that joke at birthday parties. Alright, so first up. Wow. Alright, so from freaking Redken, Thermal Setting Mist. Some Flyaway Fix. Oh, are these like dryer sheets for your hair? All over bodifying cream mousse. So I'm assuming this is all the products, and then the makeup is the bigger box. So next up is this cute little care package from Yubi. It's just a cute little notebook, which I'm sure I will be using for ideas. Oh, you're a calendar. Never mind. And then a little cactus pen cup. A little cactus corkboard organizer. Ugh. From Target. A perfume. And it's called Water Lily. It's pungent. Stings the nostrils. In a good way. It's a pretty scent, but I like to smell like baked goods at Grandma's house. If I want to smell more sophisticated than that, there you go. Man, what are you? So next up is this. I feel like such a child opening all these because I don't know what they are. 15 mineral rich water for strong, healthy, makeup ready skin. Use Mineral 89 as your base to illuminate skin and smooth fine lines for makeup ready skin. Cool. Cleansing Booster Quotidian Mineralizing Thermal Water makeup wipes. I think this means I'll actually have to start a skincare routine. I guess this is growing up. So that was from Vicky, I think. Vichy? Either one. Thank you. I feel so fancy. This is from Kitsch. You're a pro. It's debatable. So this is a bunch of hair accessories. So, holy crap. That's great. Bun donuts, styling clips, a crocodile clip. It's your daily dose of 6-year-old humor for you. Okay. This is a lot of stuff. Hair clips, little elastics, bobby pins, creaseless bobby pin. Okay. And then these things, which are super cool, which says it's a large bun shaper. I can totally use that for hair rats. So that is awesome. This whole box is just a vintage girl's dream. Oh, cool. Check out that face. Holy. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh shit. Yes. I feel like a cotton candy mermaid. Also, kind of looks like Sully from Monsters, Inc. And I am totally okay with it. So that is from Powder Room D. I think this is the Clarisonic, which is super exciting. I have watched a lot of NYX unboxing videos. Not even ashamed. I don't know how to put you on. Oh, super cool, and I've always wanted something like this. And now we're actually gonna get to the makeup, which is exciting. You're beautiful. Just kidding, that stresses me out. So first up is this small little box from NYX Professional Makeup. If I just seem in a constant state of disbelief in this entire video, it's because I am. So this is a whole box of face and body paint, which is amazing. This is a game changer and I am so excited to try these out. There's not much to say other than I am so grateful, and this is only the first box of makeup. I'm feeling a little verklempt.
I'm a little verklempt.
I don't deserve this. So next up, oh my god. As you can see, this is a giant box of lip products. They're liquid suede. And then the bottom row is all intense butter gloss. And then over here is a bunch of their lip lingerie. And then a ton of lip liners. And then Powder Puff Lippy. This is so cool. I mean, if you guys are not new to this channel, you know that I don't own that much makeup. So to say this is a big deal to me is like such an understatement. This is freaking amazing because I always want to try out makeup looks and do creative things, but I've never felt like I've had the tools. So now even just opening these first two boxes, I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. Tools. Which is just that. So in here we've got a brush cleansing pad, some makeup remover wipes, makeup brush spray cleaner, powder puffs, foundation sponge, blending sponge, beauty wedges, sharpener, a little baby brush. And I am so sorry if I don't know the proper names of these. Eyelash curler, some blending sponges, an actual brush thermos. If that's not what these are called, that's what they should be called. A ton of brushes. Oh, this is so cool. I'm sorry if I just keep saying that over and over again. But like I said, this is more tools that I've ever had in my life. Looks like we have two more boxes. Eyes. This gigantic. For the eye box, I'll start with all of these amazing eyeshadows. A couple jumbo eye pencils in black and white. 3-in-1 brow pencils. A bunch of different shades of brow pomade. A ton of eyeliner. This Vivid Bright eyeliner. And then some eyebrow gel. Some amazing lashes. Fiber mascara. More earth toned. Bright ones. And then this one, which I'm loving. Some amazing colors there. Avant Pop. Did I mention I'm not worthy? Because I'm not worthy. So this is face. Oh my god. This is what was making the box so freaking heavy. Who would win? One Rachel versus one heavy boy. What are you... Oh. If this is not the most graceful unboxing you've ever watched, just... all these different shades of NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Foundation, some matte bronzer, and some blush, finishing powder, HD Studio finishing powder, Sweet Cheeks blush palette, Strobe of Genius illuminating palette, highlight and contour palette, different liquid illuminators, Angel Veil, which is a primer, and a mini contour stick, and a bunch of little blushes, a matte finishing spray, a dewy one, color correcting concealer kit, HD Studio concealers, Wonder Sticks, and then the Born to Glow highlighting palette. So that is it. I still can't really even process that I'm in the top 30 alongside so many talented artists. And quite honestly, even if I don't make it through the first round, I am just so excited to see what everyone else creates. That's my favorite part about the NYX Face Awards. I love to see the stories that people create and the characters, and I am so excited to at least be part of that for this round, and I hope to make a really badass character that you're gonna love. So the first challenge for this competition is... Nope. Yeah, we're just gonna skip the drum roll. The first challenge is the power of makeup. So without giving anything away, with the help of my beautiful friend Christine, we kind of collaborated and came up with an idea that I'm very excited for, and I think it'll make a really badass video, and it will really stretch my makeup capabilities and something I've never done before. Voting begins May 18th, and I will of course remind you how to vote once that video comes out. That is it for this NYX unboxing video. Again, this is all just so crazy to me, and I've never had so much makeup in my life. So thank you so much to NYX for number one, even choosing me to be part of the top 30. I can't believe it, but I'm so grateful. And for sending me this much stuff. I just wish the best of luck to all the other artists, and I hope that everyone has tons of fun with this. I love you all, whether you're new or old to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! The camera is 3 feet away from me right now, so I'm gonna attempt to cover the lens and do my usual outro, but there's no judgment here, okay? He has... Wow, so... gonna be a lot of that. Rigby is part beagle, so he's a hound dog. Oh, woo, woo, woo. What are you focused on? Focus on this? I think my mom's home.
Yes, I am.
Cooper, come here, man. Come see. That's a nice butthole. This is Cooper. He breathes like that worm in SpongeBob. And he is 16 or 17 years old. We've had him since I was 12. He's the old man. Go be free, old man. Oh, I'm just gonna plop down right there. That's... What are you focused on? Hello, over here. Alright, camera. Can you not focus on the box flaps? That'd be great. Over here. Who, me? Just ignore this. Are you focused on me or are you focused on this box flap? Does that make it easier? Camera? Ha! There, liquid suede. Yes. Good enough.